Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about how to become a Visual Basic programmer. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to be a Visual Basic programmer. Becoming a Visual Basic programmer involves learning the Visual Basic programming language, practicing your coding skills, and building projects to gain experience. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you become a Visual Basic programmer. Number 1. Learn the basics of programming. Start by understanding fundamental programming concepts including variables, data types, control structures such as loops and conditionals, functions, and basic input-output I/O operations. Number 2, get the required tools. You need an integrated development environment or IDE to write and run Visual Basic code. Microsoft Visual Studio is the most popular choice for Visual Basic programming. You can download the free Visual Studio Community Edition. Number 3, learn Visual Basic syntax. Begin with the basics of Visual Basic syntax including variable declarations, data types such as integer, string, boolean, etc. Operators in basic input-output. Familiarize yourself with the Visual Basic Integrated Development Environment or IDE. Number 4, understand Visual Basic forms. Visual Basic is often used for creating Windows desktop applications with graphical user interfaces or GUIs. Learn how to design and work with forms, controls, buttons, text boxes, labels, etc. and event handling. Number 5, Object-Oriented Programming or OOP. Gain an understanding of object-oriented programming principles as Visual Basic supports object-oriented programming or OOP. Learn about classes, objects, inheritance, and encapsulation. Number 6, Database Integration. Visual Basic is often used for database applications. Learn how to connect to databases using ADO.NET or Entity Framework, and how to perform CRUD, create, read, update, delete operations. Number 7, practice writing code. Start with a small projects in coding exercises to apply what you have learned. Visual Basic tutorials and online coding platforms can provide exercises and challenges to practice your skills. Number 8, read books and documentation. Invest in Visual Basic programming books and read the official Visual Basic documentation provided by Microsoft. Books like Visual Basic.NET Programming can be helpful. Number 9, join communities. Join online programming communities and forums related to Visual Basic. Websites like Stack Overflow and VB forums are great places to ask questions and learn from experienced programmers. Number 10, build projects. As you gain confidence, work on larger personal projects. Create applications that interest you such as calculator, address book, or to-do list manager. Build real-world projects is one of the best ways to learn. 11, debugging and troubleshooting. Learn debugging techniques to identify and fix errors in your code. Familiarize yourself with Visual Studio's debugging tools. 12, stay updated. Visual Basic and the .NET Framework are continually evolving. Stay updated with the latest technologies and features. Microsoft regularly releases updates in new versions. 13, consider formal education. If you're serious about a career in Visual Basic programming, consider formal education such as computer science degrees or programming courses. They can provide structured learning and networking opportunities. Number 14, networking in job search. Attend local programming meetups, conferences, and networking events to meet professionals in the field. When you're ready, start applying for Visual Basic programming jobs or freelance opportunities. Becoming a proficient Visual Basic programmer takes time and practice. Don't be discouraged by challenges along the way. Keep coding, learning, and seeking help when needed. With dedication and perseverance, you can become a skilled Visual Basic programmer. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report and presentation how to become a Visual Basic programmer. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. Click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.